Where are you?
Ah, fuck.
Got gas
Dead.
inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Where did they get you from?
There's one upstairs in that building.
Oh, Matt.
I'm hit!
Sweet, I'm going to go down to the bar as well, that's a good idea. I'll get a precision, I guess. Actually, I'm going to get a gas mask.
What tower?
Cluster.
Night. I haven't got a
Yeah,
sniper
blue.
for.
Blue, yeah?
Cracked him.
Downed him.
He's jumped off.
Downed him. Downed another one.
Oh, cracked him.
Cords uploaded. Call for fire.
Chucked a cluster on them both.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Won't touch him in there probably.
I don't know, there was one down behind him. You are correct. Going up the tower, going up the water tower.
Clean up.
Going up the second one. Cracked him. He's downed.
Two on the very top. Two on the very top.
Jumped.
He's self-resing the guy on the yellow. Downed him again, he can't self-res. Hit him. Killed him.
One down.
Got a double kill somehow.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Can we get anywhere? Oh, that is tiny. Down there?
Mark
Hmm.
out. Moving.
Let's shoot some people up here. Down there.
Hostile dropping into the area.
Cracked him. Downed him.
Where's the one on the water? There's one on the water tower.
Downed
Jumped
one
off
there.
his near us somewhere on orange. Got him. Got
Good
one.
job. This gas is gonna. Oh
Whoa.
shit! Come over
Gas
here.
is moving.
Come on. Gotta get up.
Right, he's watching the window.
Yeah. Let's jump out on the screen.
Flashbang out. Got gas inbound. Safe zone
I'd be careful
relocated.
pushing that guy. Oh shit! I've been.
I can't see him. Shit, can you get him?
Matt can.
Oh, who
Down.
shot me there?
Thank you.
Ground.
Ah, I'm fucked.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
I've got no chance of getting out of the gas, have I?
Told you that one.
5 remain. Stay sharp.
Right behind you, Ben.
Taking fire.
Two of them behind you.
On your shoulders. Finish the mission.
There's one up on the water tower that got me.
Losing ground. Contract failed. Time's up.
Bueno.
How many left? A team of 3. Fuck! They're right above me.
Enemy soldier incoming.
What?
Yep.
You come back down through shit.
Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
There he is.
Fuck! Reload.
Nice.
Well done.
Nice.
That was fun.
That was lovely.
I enjoyed that.